Alright, here it is with the handle slabs removed and locked in the wicket edge clamp. I've set it in the bottom holes. I've set it at a depth of E. With a bit of trial and error with the angle cube, I went into 22 degrees on this arm and 23 degrees on this arm, and I'll show you with the angle cube. Let's get that to zero in, turn it on, zero it. This one gives us an angle of 19.65, and that, with a bit of practice, you can see I've taken off most of the red marker here. So that was 19.65 on that side, and on this side we've got about 19.45. So they're the two angles. I could loosen these top ones, use a spanner and micro adjust this one in a bit and change them both and make them both 19.5, but I'm happy with 19.65 on one side and 19.45 on the other side, so that's what I'm going to sharpen them at. Right, before I start, I just want to show you how sharp it is. So it will cut or tear paper along its length. So it came from the factory with a reasonable edge, but nothing fantastic. Alright, so I finished reprofiling, getting my grinds with the 100s, swapping to the 200s. Right, I've decided that's enough with the 200s. Go on to the 400s. Away we go. Here's the difference, it's nowhere near as scratchy. Getting a good sweep up and away from the blade. So what I thought I'd do to see how I'm going is I'd re-sharpie the blade like so. If we can't see the red Sharpie marker. Right, let's give that a whirl on the 600s. I'll concentrate up here on the tip where I've got the The other thing I do every now and again, I just flip them over just to use them in both directions, fully utilise the stone. Let's have a look. We'll come and see how we're going at the 600 mark. So there you go, we are taking all the Sharpie off, and then back here where I haven't yet done, because I haven't done the heel, I haven't taken the Sharpie off there, but we're definitely where I was concentrating on, taking the Sharpie off. And I'll give you a look at the other side. The other side's the same, taking the Sharpie off right to the edge. It's looking pretty good. With the 600s, I've gone all the way long. Just give you a quick demo of how much sharper the blade is, if you remember earlier. And now we're moving on to the next high grits, and I reckon I'll stop at the 1000. So we'll just do these, and I'll come back and I'll show you. You can hear the difference in how much metal's being taken off. Right, that's the end of the 800s. Go on to the 1000s. A quick strop and we'll be done. Finishing, and these are now getting very light, just the weight of the plate against the edge. Then I'm going to go to the strops, so we'll do that. Clean that up. I might use a tissue. I'll try and get, that's what comes off. One white one side, one wipe on the other side, so that's what you don't want contaminating your strops. So I'm happy to, and the strops basically to take off the final burr. We'll go to the strops. We'll go to the 5 micron side, and we'll give it a nice strop. Finish it off, then we'll go and have a look and see how sharp it is. Right, I've spun my strops around, finishing off 3.5 microns. That'll do for those. Let's go over and have a closer look at that. Alright, here we are with the blade. Just put these handle slabs back on, and I'll come back after I've put them back on. Alright, the handle slabs are back on. Let's give you a bit of a look at the edge that we've managed to put on. You can still see a bit of the red marker there. You can see at the tip that I didn't grind it all the way back. Couldn't match the factory edge perfectly. Would have needed to have moved it further back in the clamp to get that edge, but I decided to go in the middle for stability and ease of repeatability and all that sort of stuff. So there's the edge. You can see the scratch marks. You can see the mild reflectivity after the strops. It's got a beautiful edge. Let's give it the old newsprint test. Go down here at the heel. We go in the belly. Oop. We go here at the tip. It's nice and sharp. Very happy with that. I should really head outside, chop something with it.